Hello guys, welcome back to another video lecture on UMath Academy. These are going to be the never before and never after video lectures. So let's move on. If you haven't watched the previous video lectures in this series, then please go through them so that you'll have a clear understanding of this course. We have already made two other videos in this series. Then if you haven't watched them, then please go through them. And please like, share, subscribe to UMath Academy. And let's just start our third video lecture in this series. So before diving into other tricks, let's just go through some previous topics. Okay, we will not go through them in detail, but just briefly. Okay, so the first rule is that first ever rule we have discussed is that square of the two-digit numbers ending with 5. So something like that, something like this. Okay, 65. See, square of the two-digit numbers ending with 5. 65 into 65, 45 into 45. So these are some of the rules, some of the examples of this first rule. And when we come into this second rule, numbers whose sum of digits at units place is 10 and digits at tens place are same. So units place, this their sum should be 10. So something like this, 82 into 88. This is going to be the one example, and 19 into 11. See, at units place they sum up to 10. 9 plus 1, here also 2 plus 8, they sum up to 10. And at tens place the numbers are equal, 8 and 8, here also 1 and 1, they are equal, right? So these are a few examples for second rule. And when we go through the third rule, square of the two digit numbers beginning with 5. Okay, so the examples are like this: 51 into 51, 52 into 52. So these are few examples. And the fourth rule, numbers whose sum of digits at tens place is 10 and digits at ones place are same. So it's just, see, if you see, these two rules are quite opposite and these two rules are also quite opposite, right? So examples for these type of this type of rule is, at tens place it should be 10, right? So 91 into 11 and 73 into 33. See, at tens place they sum up to 10, at units place they are equal, here also. Okay, so we have discussed how to solve these type of calculations in just few seconds in the previous video lectures. So if you haven't watched them, then please go through them. And let's just dive into another topic. So here the fifth rule is that, so we are going to discuss only one rule today, so that is multiplication by 11. So how are you gonna do? So let's just see one example, one problem for this: 35 into 11. So I'll just use blank screen. Okay, so 35 into 11, how are you gonna solve this? See, it's just simple. See, write last number as it is 5 and just add both of these numbers. 3 plus 5 is going to be 8, and write first number as it is. So it is going to be 385. Okay, now let's just go into another problem. 98 into 11. Okay, see, 98 into 11. So what are you going to do? The first step is write the last number as it is 8. Just add these two numbers. 9 plus 8 is going to be 17, sorry. So now you are not going to write 17 like this, and the first number is going to be 9. So this is not how you are going to solve this. Okay, so what you have to do is 98 into 11, right? So what you're going to do is write a last number as it is, and 9 plus 8 is going to be 17. So write 7 here, and 1 is going to be the carry for the next number. So the next number you are going to write is 9 as it is. So what you have to do is add 8, 7, 1 plus 9 is going to be 10. So the answer is 1078. Not he like this 9178. This is not gonna work. The right answer is this. I think you understood how to solve if you have a carry. Okay, so let's just see another problem. So it is 715 into 11. Okay, 715 into 11, 715 into 11, right? So what I'm going to do, write last number as it is, add both of these numbers. 1 plus 5 is going to be 6, and add both of these numbers. 7 plus 1 is going to be 8, and write first number as it is, 7. So how long are you gonna like add these numbers? See, if you have a bigger problem, 1 2 3 4 5, 5, then you're gonna add 5 plus 4, 4 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 2 plus 1, until the last number you're gonna add. See, the answer is going to be 5. 5 plus 4, 9, 4 plus 3, 7, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus 1, 3, and first number as it is. So the answer is going to be 135795. Okay, for I think you understood up to which term we have to add. Okay, now let's just dive into another problem. So it is saying that 9567 into 11, 567 into 11. So how are you going to do? Write last number as it is, add these two numbers. 6 plus 7 is going to be 13. Okay, sorry, you should not write the carry over there. So you have to write this. Now 6 plus 1 is going to be 13, right? So 1 you have to take carry for the next number. So the next step is that you have to add both of these numbers. 5 plus 6 is going to be 11, so 1 is going to be the carry for the next number. 9 plus 5 is going to be 14, 4 here, 1 is going to be the carry, and so the process stopped here. See, you cannot add this number to the other number. You have no other number, right? So when it stopped, then you have to write 9 as it is. Okay, so what it is going to be, 7 3 2 5 10. So you just have to add those carries, that's it. So the answer is going to be 105237. And next, see, 2154681 into 11. I'll just write it here. See, the last number you have to write as it is, 1. Now you have to add these two numbers. 1 plus 8 is going to be 9. Next, these two, 6 plus 8 is going to be 14, 1 here. 4 plus 6 is going to be 10, 1 is going to be the carry. 5 plus 4 is going to be 9, 1 plus 5 is going to be 6, and 2 plus 1 is going to be 3, and 2 as it is. So you just have to add, that's it. So what is going to be the answer? 1 9 4 5, sorry, 1, I'll just erase this. It's going to be 1 plus 9 is going to be 10, 6 plus 1 is going to be 7, 3, 2. So the answer is 23701491. I think you understood. So not only this number of calculations, but you can use it for the biggest numbers. Okay, like you can solve this for 987659876 into 11. You can even solve this, right? So the answer is going to be 7 plus 6 is going to be 13, 8 plus 7 is going to be 15, 9 plus 8 is going to be 17, 5 plus 9 is going to be 14, 6 plus 5 is going to be 11, 7 plus 6 is going to be 13, 8 plus 7 is going to be 15, 9 plus 8 is going to be 17, and last number. So you just have to add these: 6 3 6 8 5 2 4 6 8 10. So I think you understood how to solve these type of problems, these type of calculations with multiplication by 11. So it's just simple. You have to be fast in doing the addition. Okay, so multiplication by 11 is so simple. You just have to know the rule, that's it. Now let's just see some practice questions that we have to do, please comment down these answers in the comment box. It just hardly takes, like, all these problems just hardly takes like 10 seconds, I guess 10 to 15 seconds to uh, solve them and write in the comment box. Okay. And as they say, practice makes man perfect, so practice as many problems as you can, so that you won't be confused in between those in between the tricks, right? So we have discussed 5 tricks till now, so please practice as many problems as you can, so that you won't be confused. No, thank you. uh, Please like, share and subscribe to UMath Academy, and please stay tuned for our next video.